I'm here today with an Abercrombie haul of some few new things that I picked up from Abercrombie. It's a little bit of everything. I have some really fun graphic sweatshirts, a graphic tee, some leather pants, or a couple pair of pants actually, and 2 dresses. So I wanted to share those with you today. This is one of them. It's so cute. Are the New York Giants good? I don't know anything about football, but these football sweatshirts are so adorable. So if you are new, welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video and decided to stay well. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave, and let's jump right into the try on haul. This dress is so cute. I feel like it's a little small up here though. I feel like my boobs are just a bit too big, so it's an extra small, but I'm afraid if I go to a size small it will be too loose here, because I feel like this part fits me great. I feel like this part around here fits me really good, and this part fits me great, but the boobs are just a little bit too big. But I love this dress. I'm going to Vegas in November, and so I wanted something really cute to wear, and we have a couple different themed nights. And this is just so cute. I just think that it's a little, my boobs are a little too big. I'm getting a little under boob. But I love the different textures. Like you have this satiny fabric here, and then you have just like this really flattering kind of hugs and moves with you kind of fabric down here. And I love the color. It's so cute. And I love the back. I feel like it's so flattering. And it's really comfortable and stretchy. So you'll have to let me know what you think. I feel like if I go up a size, this will fit better, but this might be loose. I don't know. There's nothing I can really do about my boob size, so. I mean, it's very booby, but it's so cute. Ooh, she cute though. What do you guys think? I also got it in black, so I'll show you that too, but so far, I mean, this is really pretty. Okay, how is this? Okay, they're actually both size small. So I definitely don't think I could go to a medium. But this is also a small, and it literally doesn't even fit on the top. They're both the exact same size. But this one like literally is so tight around here. This feels really loose, and the boobs do not fit. So the sizing was not consistent. The white one is a small petite, fits almost perfect. This is a small petite in the black, and it is so small in my boobs that it doesn't even cover them. How is that even possible? Also, it makes me look poochy here. So this one's going back. Next is this here, 2 separate pieces. This one is a corset bodysuit, and it's in a size extra small. And I feel like it fits my boobs actually pretty good. I love the really pretty like satiny detail. I think that's super pretty. These pants are also in an extra small. They do have like a little bit of stretch right here. They're a bit snug, but I feel like if I went for a small, they'd be like too tight or too loose. You don't really want these like really loose in the stomach, but with like a blazer, I think this would be really cute. Let's see. This is a blazer that I got from Nordstrom. Kind of like that, like all like monochrome neutrals. It's kind of cool. But I do like these pants. They had a bunch of different colors too. I'm typically like a 26, 27, and these are an extra small. I probably could do a small, but I'm just afraid they would be too loose. I mean, they're kind of right at my rib cage. If I pull them down here, I feel like I get like over spillage. So I do like these. I like the fabric. They're very like stretchy, comfortable, like you can move with these. So I do like these. I just don't know if I should go for a size small in them, but they're really cute, and I really love this. So this I would stay in an extra small. It does go like up your butt pretty far though. So that's really pretty. I also got it in black. Oh, here, let me show you. This is the black satin. It's what I was just wearing, but in the black, and it's in an extra small. And then this is what like the bottom part looks like. It's kind of like breathable, meshy, and then it does have the clasp closure. So I really like those. I'm gonna keep those. This is the same tank I got in this fun hot pink. You can see it has this really cool corset like under detail. It's not wire, it's just like the stitching. So it looks really cute. So this is like the orangey color. Both of these are in an extra small. And then these black faux leather pants are in a 26 short. And these are like the 90s high rise. These are so cute. I've been wanting a pair of faux leather leggings. I think I'm gonna bring these to Vegas. I've been wanting a pair, and I got a pair from Vici and they were not cute. So I figured a lot of people seem to really like the Abercrombie ones. So, and I went with a 26 and they are stretchy too. I'm typically like a 26, 27. So a 26 would be great. I'm 5'1", and this is the short. So if you are on the shorter side like me, I definitely get the short. I could definitely still wear heels with it. But these are really, really cute. So I like these. I'm keeping these. I'm keeping this bodysuit. It's a little bit more of a bustier, like boobalicious bodysuit, but I think it's really cute and I feel like supported in it, you know what I mean? And I really like this really pretty hot pink color too. So these ones were a win. Is this Bronco sweatshirt. I love it. It's so cute. I switched my camera settings. I totally forgot. When I take selfies, I have to turn the camera, mirror front camera on. And then when I film videos, I have to turn it off so that everything reads the right way for you guys. So anyways, I love this sweatshirt. So you probably noticed like the rim flipped from the other videos. So that's why. I love this sweatshirt. I love how oversized it is. It's a men's size small. I'm typically like an extra small in the women's stuff. So this is what a men's small looks like. And it's just so comfortable, cozy. These pants are the 90s high rise. Guys, I have to just like give myself a little humble brag for a second. I've been working out so hard. These are size 27s and they're actually like loose on me. And August 26th, it's now October 12th. August 26th, I weighed in at the heaviest I have ever been in my whole entire life, and I'm down 7.6 pounds. So I'm very proud of myself. At my same weight that I was when I was 40 weeks pregnant or 39 weeks pregnant with both Liv and Lincoln, that's how much I weighed August 26th. So I'm down 7.6 pounds. I'm really, really proud of myself. I'm 5'1", so like what number I was on me may look very different on somebody who's like a little bit taller or like has hips or curves. I don't have hips, I don't have curves. I have like a tiny bit of a butt. And so when I put on that much weight, like I'm still 3 to 8 pounds heavier than like I typically like to be. So I'm down almost 8 pounds, 7.6 pounds. And I'm really proud of myself because before I got pregnant, I was like in a size 25, 26 jean. These are a 27, so I could probably go to a 26 now, which makes me so happy. And these are like one of my favorite pairs of jeans. So anyhow, I just had a humble brag because I had been working my butt off at the gym, going for walks and trying to lose weight, and I hadn't felt like I was seeing much of a difference until I put these pants on just now, and it like made me smile. So anyways, you guys, the scale doesn't matter. It's how your clothes fit, it's how you feel. And so even though I was feeling a little discouraged, I'm feeling encouraged now because these fit and they look really good. So anyways, these jeans are great. They still sell them. And the sweatshirt is super cute too. So I'm gonna show you the next sweatshirt I got. Okay, here's the next sweatshirt. It's the New York Giants. I know nothing about football other than like my husband loves college football. So we're a Notre Dame family because my husband loves Notre Dame and he's from like South Bend, Indiana area. So we're a Notre Dame family here. It's about the extent that I know about football. So the Giants, are they a good team? I don't know. The Broncos, my sister likes them. I don't really care. Same with band tees. I don't listen to that kind of music, but I like the band tees. I'm a poser. I think that's what they call people who wear things and they don't listen to that music or support that team. It's okay. It's all right. It's not that deep. So these are the Giants, the New York Giants. Maybe they're good, maybe they're awful, but the sweatshirt is super cute. So that's all that really matters. This is a size small. It's also a men's shirt. And I just really like it. I kind of want to get them all. Support all the teams. Share the love all around, especially if they're crappy teams. You know, they need love too. So I love this sweatshirt. It's so cozy. It has like that fleecy material on the inside. And it's light though. Like it's warm, but it's light, but it's cozy. So I'm just excited to wear this with some leggings and some like my Air Force Ones. It's 96 degrees outside in the middle of October, middle of October, and it's 96 degrees. Oh my gosh, I just want it to be fall. What's the weather where you live? Hopefully it's not like freaking Northern California where it's hot as freaking heck. It's just so warm. Anyway, this is the sweatshirt. I'm loving it. Gosh, Abercrombie's just really killing it with these graphic sweatshirts. Okay, this is the last sweatshirt. This is from the women's section. I posted this on Instagram. It's so cute. It's so cozy. I love the graphic. I don't listen to Def Leppard, but I can appreciate this sweatshirt. The sleeves are super comfy. I like how this part of the sleeve is like so long. It's just like, ooh, cozy. I'd wear this with some black leggings. It has these little slits here. It does come down and cover your bum if that's something you're worried about. This is the oversized sweatshirt. I have a size small. Again, I'm 5'1", typically an extra small. So I'm glad I went with the size small. I would have even maybe gone with a size medium even. But it's so cozy, so comfortable. Really like this one. It's also from the men's section. It's their oversized shirt. I'm pretty sure this is a size medium. Yep. And it just says Ford. I actually saw this girl like cut hers, so it was like a really boxy shirt, and it was so cute. I would not wear this with these jeans. I guess you could tuck it in. But I just thought it was super cute. I wanted to wear it with leggings. And it is really long. So again, I got a medium. But I just loved it. I thought it was super cute. So this one is also a win. Guys, that is it for my try on haul. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Let me know what pieces were your favorite. All of the products I talked about will be listed in the description box below, so don't forget to click those links if you're interested in purchasing any of these. If you do use in my links, I am so grateful and so thankful. I do make a small commission from most of the links that I post in the description box or on my Instagram. It does help support my channel and my Instagram and my family. And so anytime you choose to use my links below, I really appreciate it. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.